Guys, Saran Bhakti here, and today I invite you for this 10-minute reset for better focus and mental clarity. Before we begin, here's a little tip. If you have a long hair, gently tie it up. In the yogic tradition, it's believed that our hair is an extension of our energy. So anytime you need a little more focus, whether you're about to practice, work, study, or simply want to be more present, try tying your hair up and let me know how it works. If you've been feeling distracted, jumping through tasks, checking your phone, and can't focus, this practice is exactly designed for you. So find your comfortable seat and let's begin. First thing, we will start by the short pranayama, Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. So right hand is going to make a Nasagra mudra, which looks like this. And we're going to put this index and third finger on the third eye point, and we're going to change opening and closing alternate nostrils. And the left hand, Gyan Mudra, index thumbs together, okay? And is resting comfortably on your knee. So let's begin. You can already have the mudra prepared and gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable. And just relax here your belly. Now bring your right hand into Nasagra Mudra and gently place it at your nose. Close your right nostril with right thumb and inhale through the left nostril. Now close the left nostril, open the right and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close the right nostril, open the left, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. 3, 2, 1. Close, exhale through the right. 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the right. 3, 2, 1. Close the right, exhale through the left. 3, 2, 1. Inhale left. 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 3, 2, 1. Exhale left. 3, 2, 1. Continue in your own gentle rhythm. And last cycle. Then gently rest your right hand, Gyan Mudra on your knee, index thumbs together. Natural breath through both nostrils. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And gently open the eye. Okay. I hope you already feel the change, the difference. And now we will go to the practice of mantra Sat Nam. We're going to chant as waves in the ocean. 7 waves. Sat Nam. If you want, you can only stay by chanting or even by listening. If you want, you can add visualization, as on every step, you will gather the energy in the one of the main chakras along our spine. Sat hands today. Let's put the hands in the mudra like this. Left hand down, right hand on the top, and then you cross the left thumb and close it with the right. Okay, and they are coming here to the level of the heart center. Okay, elongate your spine. You can close down the eyes, relax the belly. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And let's begin. Inhale. Sat Nam. 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 And last one. Sat Nam. Take an inhale and hold the breath on top. And exhale with the mouth. Relax your hands. Fingers can mudra, index thumbs together. Stay and observe the change. And one more deep inhale here. Exhale through the mouth. And bring your palms together into Namaskar Mudra. Thumbs touching the sternum. Feeling the beating of your heart. To close the practice, we're going to chant one more time mantra Sat Nam. Long Sat, short Nam. Inhale. Sat Nam. Inhale with the nose. Hold on top. Exhale with the mouth. And one more inhale. And on exhale, bow your head towards your hands, bow your mind towards your heart. And be thankful for yourself, for showing up for you today. Namaste. I hope this practice will help you to focus better, to gather your energy, and to direct it in a way that you really want to focus it. So thank you so much, and see you on the next 10 minutes reset practice.